Students, I am sorry to say to you, due to the marker problem, because markets are totally closed due to coronavirus disease. So please avoid the missing of any letter. So focus on my voice and follow my voice with writing. Then you can keep everything clearly in your mind. Next thing is multiply. First thing is of multiply. Any number multiply with 0, answer will come always 0. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 crore, 5 crore we multiply with 0, then answer will come 0. 1 to infinite numbers, any number we multiply with 0, then answer will come 0. If any number multiplied with 1, then answer will come same that number. This is second thing of multiply. Third thing of multiply, multiply means. Multiply mean is this, addition of that number with itself. Means if we are multiplying 4 multiply 3, answer is 4 3 are 12. But what is going on in this? In this 4 is adding with 4. 4 is adding with 4 3 times. Multiplier is telling times. How many times 4 is adding with 4? 3 times. 1 time, 2 time, and this 3 times. Added 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Understood now? Multiply means addition of that number with itself. How many times? It depends on its multiplier. If 4 4 ja 16, 4 multiply 4, it means 4 is adding with 4 times, then answer will come 16. Directly we read table and do it like this. 4 3 are 12. Simple multiply. 506 multiplied with 28. 8 6 we read table from ones. Here multiplier is 28. We are multiplying 28 with 506. Then first of all we multiply by ones and 2 ones first. 8 6 48. 8 4 is carry. Then 8 multiply with tens. 8 0 ja 0. Then 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Then 8 5 are 40. Then after we cross, put cross means there is nothing. But we put cross over here under this digit to understand here is nothing. If we leave this place empty, then we will confuse. Now by tens we multiply two whole number from one side. 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 carry. 2 0 ja 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 5 ja 10. Now in 10 2 digits. So we write ones first of all, then tens. Tens at the place of tens, 1 is over here, 1 is going this side, then no problem. Then we add all. 8 add nothing means 8. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 1 here is nothing, then 1. This is the answer. In this, students commit many mistakes. Like this, we will write 12 like this. At the place of 1, we write 1 over here. This is wrong method. By this way, you can confuse to add 1 you will add to 4, otherwise 1 you will add to 0. So then mistake may be possible. Every digit you write under the digit, one digit under one digit. You want to multiply of decimal number, then same 3 6 is 18, 1 carry, 3 0 0 0 1 1, 3 3 is 9. Then we calculate the decimal digits from RHS. 1 2. Left side not. Left side there is one decimal, but it is a whole number. So we will not calculate any whole number. We calculate the decimals from RHS. 2 digits are of decimal over here. Then we put decimal in answer from RHS. 1 2 digit. This is answer. If in this also decimal will be over here, then we add it also. 1 2 3 decimal. Then we put decimal over here at the place of this. If there will be 0.03, then calculate 1 2 3 4. There are 4 digits. After counting, there are 4 digits of decimal. Then what will you do? Answer is in 3 digits. Then you have to generate 4th digit by 0. You put 0 over here and put decimal over here. Now 4th digit is generated and your answer is now 0.0918. This is the process of decimal multiply. This is multiply of two fractions. 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 7. In the fraction, when we multiply of two numbers, then we multiply always numerator multiplied with numerator. 2 multiply 3, draw a line, denominator multiply denominator. 6 7 5 are 35. It is the exact answer. This is a process to multiply of two fraction numbers.